what's up YouTube? Hello and welcome back to ITMASTER-TECHNEWS channel. Today I will unbox the Galaxy Watch 3 41mm, which I got from eBay for $155, which is in my opinion great price. So let's open and unbox it to see. The seller showed that this is brand new, never opened item. Okay, let's see. It's a presentation, Galaxy Watch 3. So here is the seal is there, seal is here. So as he promised, this is the never opened model. So let's see, model number is R8550, and here is the Galaxy Watch 3, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, GPS. This one doesn't have the eSIM option, so there is no standalone calling, but it is compatible, and this is the latest Galaxy Watch 3, which is compatible with iPhone and with the Android phones. As you know, the new series Galaxy 4, it's only compatible with Android phones, and it works better if you have the Galaxy phone. Okay, let's move forward and let's open it up. Cutting here, and I think this will be enough. Okay, so here is the, as you know, Samsung changed the way of putting the, okay, the instruction booklets, leaflets, they are putting in the upper side of the box. So this is, I assume, the for cable, because okay, let's see, quick start guide. What else is coming out? Yeah, this is the charger, and this one has the wireless charger. It's not the hardware pin wise charger, it is USB-A to wireless dock, which is great. And there's nothing else, so I'm not sure what was this there. It's maybe just for the packaging, but anyway, let's take out the watch. Very nice. I like the silver color, which is, in this case, this is a stainless steel. Very good leather strap, which is, by saying the Samsung, it's water protective, splash protective and sweat protective leather. And the back side is with the all sensors. This watch has the EKG and also the blood pressure. And here is the digital crown, which is really nice. I'm not sure if you hear the scrolling. So, and this is the power button, and another is second button for the programming. And straps are 20mm, and they can be easily removed and replaced with the others if you want. Those are the classic straps, so when you wear the watch, it will look like the very stylish classic watch. Let's see if there is a juice on it. Maybe this one is the power, I don't know exactly, but no. So it is totally out of the juice, so there is no power. And let me put on my wrist. So my wrist is the 17mm, and let me put it there so you will see how it will look like real quick. So this is how it looks like on my wrist, and I really like this size of watches, because the bigger one, like 45 millimeters or 46, they are kind of big for me. And the screen size here is 1.2 millimeters. Super AMOLED screen, very bright, very reflective. And this one has the 60 Hertz refresh rate, which is the only the watch in the market that has that refresh rate for the smoothness. This is it, guys. As there is no power on the watch, I will use it for a week, and then we can see, and I can share my opinion how it is good in 2020 to have the Galaxy Watch free. Thank you for watching. Put your comments what you want to see in another videos. Share my videos if you found them useful. Subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you again. Stay well, stay cool. Peace, guys.